Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain LastPass app review to save it what you're using. So let's dive into it. The LastPass is a password manager that helps users securely store and manage their password in one place. It includes features like password generation, autofill, encrypted storage, multi-factor authentication, and dark web monitoring. The app works across iOS, Android, and desktop browser, which make it convenient to access and sync password on multiple devices. Its free and premium plan gives flexibility depending on user need. However, LastPass has faced multiple security breaches in recent years, which raise concern about its long-term reliability. Some users also report issues like occasional glitches with syncing and autofill alongside with higher pricing compared to alternatives. In conclusion, the app worth it if you want a user-friendly password manager with a strong features and cross-platform support, but not ideal if you prioritize the highest level of security, trustworthiness, where options like Bitwarden or 1Password may be the safest choice for you. And that's it.